So in this video we are going to discuss about the SYN scan and how to scan the network using an Nmap tool, and in the backend how the command will works and what the communication will be happened. So that all captured by the Wireshark. So as a SYN scan is used to know about whether the open ports are any present in the network and to find the vulnerabilities and possible ways to exploit the network. So this scan type also known as half open scanning. So it will never actually opens a full TCP connection, so it extremely fast and scans well. So for the SYN scan is a silently stealthy scan because it is never establishes the full TCP handshake as connect scan. So for giving this nmap SYN scan command, and parallelly we need to run the Wireshark. So go to the start button and type here the Wireshark. So as I open the Wireshark, so here are the various network interfaces that are available on my host machine. So just click on to capture the packets that are related to my network interface. So here are the packets that are getting captured through my network interface. So give a command of ACK-scan. So for this we need to open a terminal. So to open our terminal, just click on start button and type the terminal. Then click on terminal to open a command prompt. So to give a root privileges, just type a command called sudo su, then click on enter and give your root privileges password. So hence I entered into the root. So the command called nmap space -s, and S stands for the scan and capital S stands for the SYN scan, and give your target IP address, that is here I have given the 192.168.43.1, not 2, and this is my target IP address. So I am here specifically mentioning some port numbers, that is of -P80, 135 for a quick scan. So just click on enter to obtain the information related to the SYN scan command. So you can see here is the data that is obtained by typing a nmap SYN scan command. So the result that is obtained is port 80, that is closed or open. So it is showing that the state that is closed and the service that is of HTTP, and the 135 port that is also given, that is MSRPC. So that is, it is showing that open port, and the MAC address and the nmap done for the single IP address, that is the target IP address. So it is showing that the one host is up and scanned the time in the of 11.07 seconds. So here is the basic information, and this is the target machine name, and this is the target machine IP address. So here is the basic information that is obtained by a command using a nmap SYN scan. So let us see what the packets that are being captured when this command is used. So you can see here are the various packets that are captured in the network analyzer tool. So while applying the nmap SYN scan command. So my target IP address is of 102 and my base machine IP that is of 43.17. So here to the target IP address that is of 192.168.43.102, I sent a SYN packet to the port number of 135, and other SYN packet is also sent to the port number of 80. And what the reply I got is, from the 135 port I got a reply that SYN ACK packet. and from the 80 port I got a reply that RST ACK. So the SYN and RST plus ACK, these two packets indicates that the port is open. So here these two packets are obtained for the 135 port number. So you can see here the 135 port number I got SYN packet, and again 135 port number I got reply from the target to the host machine IP address of 192.168.43.17, that SYN ACK. So this SYN and SYN ACK of the port 135 shows that the port is open. And from the port 80 I sent a request of SYN to the port number of 80, and I got a reply that RST ACK. So this two indicates that the port is closed. The 135, that the reply I got is SYN packet is sent to the target IP address, that is 102, and the reply I got to the my base machine IP address of 43.117, that is of SYN ACK. So this too indicates that the port is open. When I sent request packet of SYN to the 80 port number, then I got a reply of RST ACK. So this RST ACK and SYN will indicates that the port 80 is closed. As previously we mentioned in the command prompt, and the result obtained by the Nmap SYN scan is compared along with the communication between the target IP address and the host machine. So here in this video we discussed about the basic ACK scan and obtained what the communication is going on between the target and the host machine.